guys, thank you. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hey, this is Nell.
And this is Ramy. And we're from New Orleans, and we always cooking some Cajun meals. Well, my sister, she's the chef. I can cook, but I don't like to cook, so
I'm the cook.
So today she made, this is her second time making barbecue shrimp. It's so good. It was good the first time, and she said it's even better the second time. So we're getting ready to eat and review her barbecue shrimp. So stay tuned. And she did. What did you use to actually make it?
I used rotisserie sauce. Butter, lemon pepper. It's a lot of seasonings. Rosemary stuff. I've never used that before. It's my first time using it, but it's good.
I'm putting a little lemon juice on mine.
Barbecue spice. Seasoning. I think the main thing is people think just because it's barbecue shrimp that it's gonna taste like barbecue sauce. It's not gonna be
right, but it has a little kick, like a little taste to it.
It's like a tangy taste.
Tangy. Okay.
It's good. It's really good. I made it better this time. Second time.
It's good. It's really good. And it's not too spicy. It has a little tang, like she said.
You got that lemon flavor.
Yes. I taste it. Taste the lemon flavor.
This is good. It's gonna be my new little thing now.
Nice little side appetizer. When waiting for your big meal, because we have a big meal on the stove right now.
Making turkey wings and turkey necks with gravy and rice with potato salad and sweet peas on the side.
That sounds good. Good old Southern gravy and rice.
I love me some gravy and rice.
That's my favorite. I love gravy and rice.
Disregard our background.
Yeah, we got stuff everywhere.
We got kids. I got kids.
I have one kid. She's 13. She's almost a woman. Ooh, had a little stuff pop on me.
But the reason we really wanted to come out with a YouTube because I kind of wanted to give it a little. You know how some people now doing mukbangs and stuff like that.
I think it's mukbang.
But pretty much nobody don't really do stuff off of home cooked meals.
Yeah.
Like meals you cook at home.
Yeah.
And you can give like ingredients, recipes on how people could cook it. You know.
Can you give the people the recipe for the barbecue shrimp?
Sure. I can do that.
Are you gonna give it to them now or?
Oh, I gotta.
Because we didn't record her actually making it.
I gotta really.
I guess next time we will record the step-by-step process.
Yeah.
And with the ingredients and everything. Because it's really simple and just how long does it take? It's not even that long. It's real quick.
How long? About 15-20 minutes. Nice little quick little thing. But I mean, it's something really simple. Anybody can do it. But I don't know like the right amount of stuff to put. Like I just pretty much just go off of what I know. Like butter, I just put like splash of butter. Seasonings, I just
stuff like that. Okay.
I heard from this lady at my job, she was like, you just sprinkle a seasoning until your ancestors tell you that's enough.
Right. I mean,
like people don't be like, oh, I do a half of this and half of that. Like,
yeah, we really don't measure seasoning and things.
It's gonna be good.
It is good. Squeezing that lemon on. It's really good. I love shrimp. I love shrimp. Fried shrimp. Sauteed shrimp. Stewed shrimp. What Bubba said? Marinated shrimp. Stuffed shrimp.
Shrimp, poor boy.
Only shrimp I don't like. I don't really care for butterfly shrimp.
And I
don't know why, but I just do not like
I feel
butterfly
like
shrimp.
and popcorn shrimp.
Yeah, like what in who know? I don't like that. I feel like it's not even real
I
shrimp.
feel like they just pretty much just. I feel like it's fake shrimp.
It does taste good. It's fake shrimp. Like that. So we in the same boat with that. Butterfly shrimp, popcorn shrimp, I do not like it. But coming from New Orleans, we have like when we have seafood boils, we always put like we'll put shrimp in it, like shrimp, corn, crawfish, crabs, potatoes. Now what I've been seeing is people put they've been putting carrots and broccoli and of course they had celery. Celery is a normal thing we might put in there. And all of it is marinating in them juices. Have you ever had a Cajun broccoli piece? Oh my gosh.
It's good.
Corn. Oh my god.
Like people don't really
Potato.
understand the real way of
We're gonna do that next
making
time.
seafood. Like,
Yeah, we're gonna do that.
you don't
next
put the
time.
seasoning on top of the shell.
No,
You gotta-
it goes in the water.
The seasoning goes in the water.
Yes. Hey.
You don't season no crab leg shell.
No, you
eat the
don't.
shell.
And we currently live in Georgia, the Georgia area, Atlanta. So we have to make our own stuff. 'Cause, I mean, it's very rare, small and few, that we come across some good places that actually know how to make it real good. No disrespect to the Atlanta people, whatever. Y'all really good at wings. I like y'all wings.
I know. Wings are good.
Yep. But since we're gonna do this more, what we would like you to do is subscribe, like, and share our video, and we will definitely post more videos soon and very soon. Food, everything, like just family life when we travel,
Recipes.
household little things we're doing, like hacks. We have an all-purpose cleaner. We actually have a natural line with it's skincare, regular body care, and also household. So we'll show you guys our products on one of our other videos, cleaning products and how well it cleans, and also generate show you the link to purchase these items as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is so good. We're chilling on a Sunday. We're getting ready to watch some Netflix and chill.
All right, you guys.
All right, bye. Don't forget, like,
some love.
subscribe, and share. Thank you.